how can you really say ba na edukado na ba yung mga tao in the Philippines when it comes to crypto and blockchain? Now, that's when we can, I guess, bank off other stats, no? In terms of volume, in terms of community size, event size, the capital flowing in and out. That could be seen as the next closest thing, no? On how to gauge the healthiness of crypto market in a certain country, especially the Philippines. Halata naman sa local ground natin na events are back and booming as well, especially on the Bitsquela side, the ICT side as well. Again, it all falls back down to how education is managed in a way. Kasi hindi naman ito mangyari lahat kung walang edukasyon, kung walang proper understanding. Sometimes sinasabi ko sa mga meetings na ang pag-market or paglapag ng crypto dApps protocols or blockchains sa mga taong hindi nakintindi is like selling a Tesla to someone who doesn't know the benefits of an EV car, di ba? So same thing with crypto and blockchain. Education is the why muna before understanding this space.